So here is the app, Gabb Messenger. Here's how it works. You can allow notification, and this is the Gabb Messenger app. You will need a Gabb contact to invite you before you can do a video call, and then you have your account. You can delete your account. And basically, it's pretty cool app which growing in popularity. Here's how it's called. With this app, you can control your kids' activity on messengers and video calls. So quite cool idea. So you can get like a Gabb Messenger parent account, and then you can just manage approved contacts, view concerning activities for each of your kids, stay ahead of harmful situations, get details needed to take action, stay informed with the real-time notification. So yeah, like pretty cool app, especially for small kids, to monitor your kids' activity on the phone. So quite a nice idea. And sometimes if your kid is just starting to use the phone and you give the full access to like Messenger, or to YouTube, to WhatsApp, and a lot of things can happen, and you even don't know what's going on there. So I think the better approach is just to give access with this kind of apps where you control things, and then it's just better for everyone. So try out this app.